What is up everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you don't know, the last video we paint the car ourselves, so if you haven't know, just go and watch the video. So today, as you know, we are installing the weather stripe and we are cleaning the interior because it's such a mess inside right now. It's such a mess. There's a lot of this rubbish, the boxes and everything, and the carpet all are, you know, here is how it looks currently. A huge thick dust, so we're gonna clean it up today. The car has been abandoned for some time, but this is how it looks right now. The paint, it's not 100% perfect, but I mean, I am okay with that because we did everything our own. So we are not professional body works, but yeah, it looks fine to me. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, so let's go. Alright guys, so I just clean up the interior a little bit, just clean everything a little bit, and my dad is here fixing the rubber. Yes, legends here doing things. So here is how the interior look after some wipe off, but there is still tons of work here in the carpet, so let's go and do that. Alright guys, so the interior is now clean up, and yes, it looks good right now. So we actually just got back home from the donor car. If you don't know, I actually bought a donor car, a KP30, a donor KP30 for my build because I need this weather stripe. They are good and mine was bad. So and also I lost this thing, so I actually got the rear bonnet back so that I could get this thing. Alright, and also guys, the most terrible thing can happen is when you lose the parts like this. During the restoration, I actually opened this thing and I don't know where do I put, so I actually lost this thing and I was so sad, like sad. I'm going to fix the rubber here. There's a rubber right here, and I'm gonna install the glass. So yeah. Alright guys, fender mirror is up and the rear window is done, and now we have to install the rubber over here, and also the side step, and also the door cuts, and also the weather stripe. Here's the side step, and here is the rubber. Alright guys, so we are actually installing the signal for the side marker, and this one is actually the custom one by my dad. Inside it's actually a LED because the original yes because the original thing here, the base is gone. 刚刚黑是什么吗？黑是电啊，黑是剪，然后剪来的。哦，这个是夹，等一下，黑是夹，你就是用手抓。 可以什么呢？哦，不可以哦。Itu吧。Let's try this thing out. 诶，哦，我的 signal 没有，这里面没有做。Double signal. Ya, double signal. 可以看。Nah. Ta-da! Yo. Wow, LED。可是我 signal 有问题啊！哎呀，这个 这个东西有问题啊，中间那个。Yo guys, look at this guys. Woohoo! LED.
跟全世界讲，全世界人讲啊，咱不 signal 它，这个是 signal， 这个是 signal， 这个是小灯，跟全世界人讲，为什么我开的时候没有。
Alright guys, so it's night now, and my dad is working, and he is
salary. And the legend is coming out.
the front parking lens. This one, this is a KP31. It's full amber, so the difference is the color. Alright, so he's making the silicone. This is a Sika Flex.
Making what?
Making what?
Making seal.
Wow, English teacher! Making seal to prevent the water going inside the thing. The Sika Flex is dying, but we force it to make it alive. Alright, so and here is the result. He's pulling out this one. Yo, look at this. It's a seal. Alright guys, it's another week and I want to show you guys on the updates. This is the side step and also the weather stripe right here. All good. It's from this door, so all the fitting is good, and we are moving forward to the door cuts, and also there's a rubber right here. So yes. Alright guys, it fixed. So everything is fixed right now, and we are moving over to the next door. I have a problem with this thing because I think the original one is the cutting is like until here. It's not to the end. I'm gonna take a look. So take a look at my dad's KP30. Yes, I think the original one is like it's not fully into here, because just now mine was like until here, like it's here. There is a space here, so when you close the door it won't hit this thing, but mine is like it actually hits this rubber right here. So you close it, it's not working. So I think I'm gonna end the video right here, and I'm gonna send to the shop to fix the door cuts. And I think for my next video we will go forward to the front end, the front grills, the bumpers and everything. So yes, I think thank you for watching to the end of the video, and I'll see you guys on my next video.